Assignment 1, Introduction to Python. By Help in Homework. 1. What are the key features of Python? 2. Python, an interpreted language. Explain. 3. What are the benefits of Python? 4. What are the applications of Python? To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. 1. Key features of Python. Easy to learn, simple syntax, interpreted, executes code line by line, high level, abstracts complex details, dynamically typed, types determined at runtime, extensive libraries, many built-in modules, open source, free to use, portable, runs on many operating systems, object-oriented, supports objects and classes. 2. Python is an interpreted language. Python code is executed line by line by an interpreter, making it easy to debug and test code interactively. It's flexible and can run on any machine with a Python interpreter.
3. Benefits of Python, readable and simple. Easy to understand, rich libraries, many tools and modules, community support, lots of help available. Integration, works well with other languages. Productivity, fast to write and execute. Versatile, used in many fields like web, data, AI, etc. 4. Applications of Python web development, creating websites, Django Flask. Data analysis, handling and visualizing data, Pandas, Matplotlib. AI and machine learning, building intelligent systems, TensorFlow, scikit-learn. Automation, automating tasks, software development, building applications and games. Scientific computing, research and simulations. Cybersecurity, writing security tools.
If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.